Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Edifier STAX S5. Firstly, I recommend it to open control panel and check is your Bluetooth is turned on. So tap on it if it's turned off, and also if you have Android, and check on Android these headphones reconnect with them automatically after you turn on the Bluetooth, but on iOS we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and after that tap at these headphones here. And we have connection. Now, if it didn't help you, next step I recommended to perform a software set. To perform a software set, at the right ear cup we have multifunctional button between volume up and volume down buttons, and you need to press and hold it to turn off your headphones firstly. Now we turn off it, your headphones disconnected, then we need to turn on it. So press and hold this button again. Here we go. And now your headphones reconnect to your phone, so maybe this one fixed your problem. Did we have connection? Okay, yeah, we have it. Now, if this method didn't help you also, next step I recommended to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, let's start by remove these headphones from your phone and then edit, and after that we will perform a factory reset. So, to remove it, at the device list, tap the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones, then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, or if you have iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back, return here. And now we need to enter pairing mode, so press and hold power button, Bluetooth button, until the LED light start flashing white and blue like what I have right now. Then you will see your headphones at the device list and you just tap these headphones. And again we have connection. And now let's perform a factory reset if these methods didn't help you. So we have two options how to perform a factory reset. If you have the application, you can just enter into Edifier Connect app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds, headphones to the application. Then you go to the settings at the right top, factory settings, and tap at this slider. Or we can also use a control. Right here, we need to press 5 times at the Bluetooth button at your right ear cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this LED light flashing white, and then it will enter to pairing mode. And let's reconnect these headphones with the phone. So go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon. Forget the device and forget device. Again, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return here. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you just tap on them at the device list. And we have connection. Also, I have the last option, if all of these methods didn't help you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple devices and then on Android devices. So, on your iPhone, go to the settings, and after that, go to the general. Scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer or reset iPhone. Tap at this line, and then click reset. Right here you need to select reset network settings. We cannot reset only Bluetooth. So on iPhone, this one is the only option. Write your password and then click reset network settings. But once you did it, you will remove all your networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to that's it for iOS. Let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings. And then scroll down, we need to find system. I have stock Android here, so I need to scroll down, and at the bottom I have reset options. And right here you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click Reset. But once you did it, you will totally remove all Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!